Okay, this right here is a lesson on pressure switches. This spa, these customers talking about having a flow code. You can see there's no code there. When I came to the tub, it was shut down. I had to power it up. You can see it's working correctly. The heater is on. I do see some rust traces and that kind of stuff you can see around the pressure switch, so it looks like there could be a problem there. What I'm suspecting is your flow code can either be set by when it knows that there's water flowing and the pump's running, the pressure switch not closing, or inversely, the pressure switch not opening. What we've got here is one where the pressure switch is not opening, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to stop the pump. You see that the heater is still staying on, and you'll actually hear it start boiling in a minute. You can hear it, and it's because the pressure switch is stuck. So that's a simple diagnosis. Replace the pressure switch, done deal. Okay, now I've got my new pressure switch in. You see it's a different style. I've got my test switch in so I can kill the pump, not hurt the pins on the amp plug. Heater off. Heater on, heater off. Heater on, works perfectly. Now the next thing I'm going to do, you see all this rust and stuff, I'm going to go get my vac and come clean that up and not be lazy and leave somebody's spa in that kind of mess. This one's done.